Welcome to Utron's Puzzle Parking System User Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of parking and retrieving your vehicle using the Utron Puzzle Parking System. To begin, drive your vehicle in front of the Puzzle Parking System. The next step is to request your platform. You can request your platform using our touchscreen kiosk with a key fob, personal PIN, or remote control. In this case, we will use a personal PIN to request the platform. Click Get My Space on the kiosk. Select an identification method. We will be using a PIN code. Enter your platform number and the PIN code you chose during the sign-up process. Once your request is made, the system will bring the platform to ground level. When the platform is in position, the safety gate will automatically open. Drive your vehicle onto the platform and use the convex mirror to ensure that it is aligned with the parking line. After parking, exit your vehicle, lock it, and fold the mirrors. Proceed to the kiosk to complete the parking procedure. Click Return My Space on the kiosk. Select an identification method. We will be using a PIN code. Enter your platform number and the PIN code you chose during the sign-up process. Answer the safety questions. Once you've completed the parking request, the safety gate will close. The system will automatically transport your vehicle to its designated space. Your vehicle is now securely stored until you're ready to retrieve it. When you're ready to retrieve your vehicle, click Get My Space on the kiosk. Select an identification method. We will be using a key fob. The kiosk will display your request status as well as other active requests in the queue. The system will bring the platform to ground level. Once the car arrives at ground level, the safety gate will open. Enter your vehicle and drive off the platform. To complete the process, proceed to the kiosk. Click Return My Space on the kiosk. Select an identification method. We will be using a key fob. Answer the safety questions. The safety gate will close, and the system will then return to its idle state, ready for the next user. We hope you enjoyed this quick and easy guide. For more information, visit the Utron website.